So today we're going to do apple crumble ice cream. It's super easy. All you're going to do is melt butter to this and then add some ingredients and then put it on the ice cream. It's very simple.
If you wanna save me, yeah. If you wanna save me, yeah. If you wanna save me, I think I should better run, because that's the end before it began. If you wanna save me,
In this case, I didn't wait for it to cool because I don't care. It's going to be the same thing, so. I would wait for it to cool down for a little bit before putting it on. It's a weird mixture of like cold and hot if you do that. It still tastes the same because regardless if ice cream's liquid or solids, the same thing. So I don't know, I'd say it's like an 8 out of 10. This is something you could definitely put on anything. Like you could put this on top of a pie, put this on top of, I don't know, something baked goodsy, I guess. I don't know, it's like a liquid bowl, liquid now, so definitely wait for it to cool down.